Hey, I'm number one super guy Schlong Gooey, and I'm here to show you how to make some pizza. First, we'll start with the dry ingredients. We're going to do 2 cups of bread flour and a half tablespoon of salt. Oh, well, not bread flour. Don't have intercourse with the flour. But if you decide to, gentlemen, substitute that tablespoon of salt. And ladies, just do your best on how wet the dough is, I guess. Next, we're going to take 1 packet of active dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 cup of warm water. Mix it together in a cup, and we're going to let that rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. While we wait, here are some pizza facts. Did you know pizza was originally called pizza? Its name was changed in the early 20th century when it immigrated from Italy to America. Let's check on our yeast. You should see a layer of foam built up on the mixture. This lets us know that the yeast is ready. Now stir the mixture until the foam is gone. Then we will mix the wet and dry ingredients. If your dough is too wet, then add more flour. Too dry? Add some water. I think of dough like a woman. I want her to be a little wet. This will also give you a better textured crust, crisp and chewy. Now cover the dough and let it rest for about 30 minutes to an hour. More pizza facts. Pizza was invented in the Italian city of Naples. Naples used to be called Nipples, but it was changed in year 0. That is where we get the acronyms BC and AD. Before calling it Naples, after the nipples. Now we are going to lube up 2 storage containers with olive oil. Cut the dough in half, then form each half into a ball. Place each ball in its own container. Cover the lid with plastic wrap, and then use the lid to seal the container. Now it's time to put the containers of dough in the fridge. We will give it 24 to 48 hours to ferment. It's time for more pizza facts. The song On Top of Spaghetti was originally called On Top of the Pizza. It was changed in 1969 when the whack-off movement was popular. The whack-offs, or women against the celebration of open-faced sandwiches, were able to get the song changed by threatening violence against the record company. Open-faced sandwiches still face adversity to this very day. Hey, it's 24 to 48 hours later. It's time to get up and get the dough out of the fridge. Alright, any day now. It's time to get up. We got pizza to make. Look at what that girl's doing with that pepperoni! Oh, there we go. That did it. Preheat the oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Now dust the work surface with flour. Then take the dough and work it into the shape that you want the pizza to be. I prefer a round pizza because I ain't no square. Now transfer the dough to a baking sheet. Once again, shape the pizza to your liking. Then fold over the sides to create the crust. Do your best to make sure that there are no gaps in the crust. Now take some olive oil and use it to brush the crust. Then add sauce to the pizza. After that, add your cheese. Be careful not to add too much cheese. The cheese will melt and fill in any gaps when it's cooked. Add some seasoning to the crust. Here I use a mixture of powdered white cheddar, powdered sugar, and ground cayenne pepper. Lastly, top your pizza. Here I use pepperoni, but you use what you want. Put the pizza in the oven on your rock-hard pizza stone. It should take 10 to 12 minutes to cook. While the pizza cooks, here are even more pizza facts. Pizza is the most popular food in the world. Pizza scientists estimate that by the year 2069, over 90% of meals will be pizza. If pizza reduction does not happen soon, the pot roast will be extinct by 2030. Please remember to eat pizza responsibly, so that the pot roast may be enjoyed by future generations. Now it's time to pull the pizza out of the oven and let it cool before eating. And here you have it, an authentic Neapolitan pizza. Bon appetit! And that is how you make pizza. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And next time I will show you how to make a gourmet Eskimo pie. I will see you next time.